shoot the red plastic. See if you can shoot the guys. You know how they're exposed. This one, see how. Yeah, just shoot them. Okay, all right. Let's see what it does. All right. Definitely see the damage that baby does. Alrighty, folks. Hello, everybody. So here we're going to see the aftermath of an afternoon of shooting. So here we can kind of see the damage on the hut. You can see you got, you know, the stairs got pretty well beat up, the whole front. So the PLA plastic is doesn't seem to hold much resistance against the BBs. Here you can see the aperture that, or the gear track that runs up, and it got beat up a little bit. Here you can see the other targets, and these made out not too bad, since they're kind of made of metal and kind of made to take the beating. But as you can see here, one of the guys, he's completely blown off. This guy in here, what we can see is this used to be attached to that. That used to be here, so that got taken right out. So it took the plastic right out. Same with this guy here. He was secure there and he went flying. You can see the front part here looks like a BB hit it directly. Here we can see this guy. He seems to be not too worse for wear. So yeah, there's a little bit of cleanup. I'm sure there's a little bit of repair that's going to need to be done, but overall it was fun. I was kind of happy with the outcome, and I think going forward, I think I'm going to probably stick more with these and see if I can adapt something like this into something smaller, similar to that. So overall, I can't complain. Looks like it did pretty good. So yeah, catch you next week. Hello, everyone. So one thing I've noticed that I've neglected to show you is what I'm actually using to shoot all these targets with. Now this is just an air rifle. It's a Hellboy. I have made some modifications to it. I put this nice little scope on here, and also in order to mount this guy I had to take the front side off, and I had to do a little customization here in order to keep all the pieces together. I'll be working on that a little later to make something a little more permanent, a little prettier. But anyway, this is what I've been using and shooting downstairs, and it's a great little air rifle. I can't wait to shoot it again. I also have other replica ones, an MP40, a Thompson, a Luger. So those are the ones that I shoot in the basement with, shoot all those targets, and it's really fun. So I'll catch you later next week, folks. Take care.